You don't have to get whole things. We'll see. And just place in and then cut or trim or shape it. Doesn't matter. I'm looking for the hot pink. Can you get that hot pink? 40. Maybe we can do a 40 on that one. I'm gonna just trim this. So I did a top coat on this. You know why? Because it's some of the gel polish from a different company might have a lot of tacky layer. As some it doesn't have much. So it's really depend. And if it give you a hard time to place your stickers on it, just go ahead and put the top coat on, no wipe top coat. Or if you're doing a regular gel top coat, and make sure you remove a tacky layer. You don't want to do it on the gel only because it might remove some of your pigment. So I go ahead and put the top coat on. And I place this on that. I like the coffin. I'm gonna play the coffin on it. This one go upside down. Right there. Sorry. There you go. So cool. Let me doing really quick to encap this, and I'm gonna put some 3D flowers on this. Hello everyone, hey Instagram and Facebook. And Instagram. Hello Melanie, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Oh my god, 6 degrees out there. It's cold. Please stay warm. Melanie is like, it's 10:18 p.m. so you are an hour ahead of us. So I am go ahead and encap my stickers. No white top coat. If you want matte look, you put the matte top coat on. Hey Shina on Facebook. Thanks so much for tuning in. Teresa, hello. Thanks so much for tuning in. So I am going to do some cute flowers just right there. Or if you want to put the big flowers, you can. But I will go ahead and put some crystals on her eyes. I can put it right there. You can move her a little bit down if you would like to have a big flowers like this rose. I'm thinking of that. The big rose like this in red. Absolutely gorgeous. You can do that. So you can move her a little bit down and you can put the big rose in there. Smaller. Maybe. Great. Okay, so I'm gonna key this first. 2. You said just 1. Why? I want 2.
Because you destroyed the perspective.
Why? I want to make it look not too scary.
So how about a small one and a big one?
Tao could work.
Well, you keyed it already.
It's good. Oh, I can't wait because the next one we're gonna do so much fun nails. Over here I got several stickers, funs. This is like to achieve so fun nails for all of you who is how do I say, like, if you love painting, it's such a great thing to do it as well, and you can do with all different art. Also, it's fun to do with transfer foils and stickers because it work with all the clients. I would say it's experience to me when one of my clients love me to doing painting. It take me a little bit longer to do all the painting with detail that she want to. And when we consult with the clients that, you know, if you want me doing a painting flowers and stuff like that, it take longer than it's supposed to, you think. And it costs $30 per nails because it will take longer than you think. It's just a few minutes. So some clients like, yes, I don't mind, I will pay, but then they can only do 2 nails, like $60 already. This is the experience. It's my real personal experience at work. But then we'll have another option to share with stickers and transfer foil. It's not gonna be like identical like when you're painting, but it's gonna give them a really fun look and also save them time and our time. Do not try to do in gel painting and drawing in half an hour for one design. Chalk $5 or $10. It's not really fair for you. Thank you so much, Bella. And so that's why I would like to sharing it. It doesn't matter. You can do so many different ways to make that happen. So with this, you can do I really want to do hot pink for this. Maybe it's this hot.
That harder. Yep.
That's other hotter one. Passionate pink. Thank you, Bella. I'm just having really a lot of fun time with everyone. So I am going to using this is Passionate 40 gel, and I just need a little bit of alcohol on a dapping dish. And then maybe I get some pink. Which color is that? Is cheeky?
You blush?
Blush? Look like blush.
Yeah, like blush.
So all I need to do is just pick up my Passionate, and then you can do it smaller flowers, smaller petals. It depends on how you like it. If you want smaller, you get a smaller beads. If you want a little bit bigger, you get a bigger bead. So it really depends on you. That's how you would like.
Yep. So Teresa, we do have the sticker. So just go ahead and go to our website on Glitz Accessories and such, and go to the Trendy Sticker page.
Oh, thank you. I tried to give her a little bit more. I should give her a bow though, do you think? But it looks super cute like this as well. Sorry. It might supposed to be here.
Yes, stay with Glitz.
And then I'm gonna mix another beads.
Hey, Whitney.
Hey, Whitney. Is that Mama Vic?
Yep.
Hey, Mama Vic, how are you? Do another ones. Is Mama Vic, did you asking for this? Is 3D? I'm probably gonna do a 3D acrylics. We'll do 3D using a 40 gels, and then we'll do a 3D acrylics in a little bit. So stay tuned. I am so missing everyone. Sorry, just being. You have to see my face right now. We're gonna set up so then we can see the face together. Because we had so much fun just last night talking about. And we can do a different contents funds in the future as well. Like maybe one night we can talking about the business. And it doesn't matter for all of you who is thinking about to be a nail technician, or people who are in the field, that things that you still have doubt about if you can able to make in the industry, you know. So we can talk about a lot of different topics and content if you ladies like, and how to able to pricing a different set of nails, and how to. It's really cool though. I make it a little bit thicker, it looks. And move just a little bit. One more. Hey, Nene, thank you so much. Live Ras, hello, hello, Live Ras. How are you? Your comments keep going away. I'm sorry. What the question is from Live Ras? Hey, we need to see.
No, she's talking about how you might go blank at times.
Huh?
When you just carry your stare nail, you don't know what to do.
Oh, me too. I have that happen too. I mean, for the nails, when you're doing for the clients, Live Ras, is that what you mean? So for the last one, I'm getting one smaller beads. Okay, I'm gonna continue with this. I am going to blend this part. So you mean for the clients or for you? I mean, I'm sorry. For the clients, when you do for the clients, or how, or you mean like when you do things for the clients that tell you to freestyle, or for you to doing second nails when you have some time to play with this or practice?
So customer.
For the customer, so the customer will asking you to freestyle for them?
Kind of like last minute change, and you're like, okay, what to do?
Then you might have to ask them again. No, it's just really funny. He'll just laugh because they don't know what to do. That's why they ask you. So then now here you need to ask them back, because the reason is they're not sure. They don't know what to do. They get confused themselves. So you need to ask them. Like for instance, if the clients come in, send me the picture with all different colors they want. And all of a sudden they come in, they change the pictures, they change their mind to different. That's no problem at all. I said, great, okay, so tell me what design you don't like. I don't ask them what you like because there are a lot of them, like a lot of designs they like. So I ask them what designs you don't like and you hated it. Tell me. All the clients will say, Nancy, I hated it yellow. I do not care for yellow. I do not care for green. Hey, creations, thank you. And hey, Laurie, how are you? Hey, we'll get the power back in just last minutes. And we are here. So I did her bows a little bit thicker here because I like it. I want to see how thick it is. That's it. I'm here and I'm be done. But in the meantime, if you want some beads on it, should I put some beads on it? Go bead. If I do, I am going to add one. So like that, you would ask the clients what you hate the most. Like say, oh, I don't like purple. And then tell me more what you don't like, and say, oh, I don't like green. So you have narrowed down a lot of colors and a lot of designs. Like, okay, do you want 3D? Say, no, I want flats. I don't want things catching on my hair or stuff like that. Or like, oh, I have, you know, stuff I can put it on. But then, oh, I want something is in. So you have to really ask the questions.